And joining us now direct from New York is Mr. Michael Markowski. He is the founder of a company called Dynasty Wealth. He's also listed by Fortune magazine as one of the top 50 investors in the country. Michael, welcome back to the program.
Oh, Don, it's great to be back.
Well, Michael, you've been talking to us and our audience here as of late of how you really believe in the small cap market. Tell us about that again.
About the small, yes. Well, I'm at the Markham Conference in New York. It's their annual conference, the big CPA firm. It's a micro cap conference. We just had lunch with the guest speaker was Newt Gingrich. It's quite an interesting lunch. But so I'm at this conference, and the bottom line is I'm looking for small cap, micro cap companies, the kind of companies on your show to recommend. One of your companies that was on the show, and it's been on the show a couple of times that I've talked about, green polka dot boxes here. But the bottom line, Don, is that this show that the more I dig into it, the more I believe that my 40 years of experience that we're at the very rock bottom, the best time ever to buy these small stocks. And two of the companies on your show today have already looked at Hanover. I think it's a very interesting company. I know they were out of town. Still want to talk to the CEO of that company, but they were, I found them to be very interesting. They're trading at well below book. And we have another company today called Epor, or what? It's a company that's in the business of dividend. It's the dividend company that I've looked at. And that is, I was shocked at how low that thing is. I mean, that thing is an example of the problems out there and the low, how much value there is in the small cap market. This company, because they're trading at a $250,000 market cap, and they only have they earned $600,000 last year, so that's ridiculous. The company's trading at a fraction of what its earnings are. So I'm very interested in this company as well now. So I keep finding jewels on your show, and that's why I love being on your show.
Well, Michael, it's kind of interesting because you've said to us that you're looking for companies that can double or triple in the next year. And if you looked at IBM, you could wait half your life for that to happen, and it may not happen at all.
That's right. And the opportunity is in the small stocks because they are at very extremely low prices. The bigger stocks are getting more and more overvalued. The smaller stocks are getting more and more undervalued. And it's a point right now where I'm going to recommend 100 of these stocks by the end of the year. I'm going to find and recommend 100. There's several from your show right now. They're already on my radar screen. I've already recommended one of them, green polka dot box. And so this is the opportunities always have been to make money in the small stocks. I've never made any big money in any large, high-priced stocks. I mean, you get lucky every once in a while with an Apple, but that happens once every 20, 30 years in a big stock.
Once again, Dynasty Wealth is the name of the company, dynastywealth.com for more information. Michael Markowski, thanks so much.
Okay, bye-bye.